2, 3. Okay, I'm looking for the sound G. It
Egg.
and B. Jake, B. Okay, touch and say for me.
G. B.
Very good. Clear your boards.
Gip.
Clear. Gip. Good job. It's a nonsense word, isn't it?
It's a no nonsense word.
You're right. It is. You want to do a real word?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm looking for the sound B. That's like this. I'm looking for B. No, B. A. T. Touch and say. No.
And bat.
Very
Can you do
good.
that again?
Yeah, how about that? You
Yeah.
did. Good job.
Bat.
Okay, clear your boards. Let's do. Ready? It. G. Okay, touch and say.
Pig.
Good
Pig.
job. Very good. Clear your boards.
Gib.
Not gib. Pig.
Pig.
Pig. Okay, let's do one more. Are you ready? Let's do T. A. G.
Tag.
Touch and say.
Tag. Tag.
Very good. All right. Good job, boys and girls.
Tag.